Xiaomi has just introduced another member of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 series. So we have the base model, the Pro model, the Pro Plus model, each of them with their G edition and their 5G edition. Furthermore, there is also the Xiaomi Redmi Note R Pro, and at present, the Xiaomi Redmi Note R has been newly introduced to the market. This edition is a trimmed-down version, so we will find simpler specifications. Let me tell you about it. The screen of this device is 6.79 inches with LCD technology and full HD resolution with 550 nits of brightness at its peak. It is equipped with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a side fingerprint reader, a 50 megapixel main camera, along with a 2 megapixel macro camera and no other features. In fact, there is another circle on the back, but it is the flash. As for the front camera, it is 8 megapixels, so obviously it is an improvement compared to the previous generation, which was the Redmi Note 12R, but we are not talking about a high-end device. This is confirmed because the processor is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, although in terms of RAM and storage, we will find very high versions of up to 12 GB of RAM with GB of storage, although the base version is 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. It has a 5030 mAh battery and supports 33-watt charging via cable. It operates on Android 14 and HyperOS, and it is highly probable that worldwide we will recognize it as the Poco brand, as currently this device has been unveiled for China. It is available in 3 different colors, and the price of the basic edition is 1399 yuan, but remember that the prices here are not the same as those over there. Let me know your opinion regarding this device, and whether you would like Xiaomi to streamline the lineup of the entire Redmi Note 13 series.